When I try to train people, I just try to reassure them that we set it up so that you just have to do the proper recipe and set up the right parts to go in, and you just hit the start button. That's one of my favorite parts of the position I'm in, helping people grow and be comfortable around and taking on other jobs that they may have been more uncomfortable doing, but they've gotten through a few of those hurdles, and then they'll just take on whatever job comes their way. I've always been a team player. It's hard to try and get everybody in that mindset, but once you do, everything moves a lot smoother and build everybody up together. I am Jon Offord, and I am the finishing supervisor here at CertainTeed. My job is pulling sales orders and making work orders and giving that instruction to the operators and helping them find the material they need to do any of the finishing steps. In the finishing department, most of the things we do is the door components, like the framework, and putting in the dado so that the secondary companies can just put these doors together fairly quickly. I'm getting to read drawings and apply that with whatever type of machine that I have in the area, and also relating to carpenters or machinists and people that I know outside of here. It's really cool. I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a lot of this, and bring it all together, and we are an area that does everything after extrusion here, like anything that's needed to the parts. I get really excited when I explain new things to people and try and get them to look at these jobs and get them to think of better ways to do it. I do get to get around and see everybody and talk to everybody and try and help them get through their day and get them motivated. I have family and friends I've known for a long time here, so it's nice to always know there's people here you can really count on. I have a very nice house and 2 kids, 2 vehicles, a beautiful wife. All things I never imagined I would have. I like the direction this company is going and working with Saint-Gobain, and I'm excited to see what keeps coming. As the opportunities come, ask about them and find out about them. The opportunity it's really limitless.